Hey folks, I have a pro tip at the end of this 2-minute video, so hang in there. If you're under age 65, open enrollment begins November 1st through January 15th, so coming up very soon. If you're not covered currently by an employer group health plan, and actually, by the way, if you are and you've got a spouse and children, it's possible the ACA plan could be cheaper, but that's a whole different video I'll do down the road. So back to the ACA open enrollment. If you're on a plan right now, you need to find out if the price is changing. Are you going to renew that plan or should you move it to another plan? If you're not on a plan, then you should talk to an agent, preferably me, about a plan that we can get you on. But today I wanted to focus on one of the biggest objections I get whenever I speak to somebody about an ACA plan, and that's the deductible, the high deductible. And I get it. It can be intimidating. But here's the thing that I think a lot of people don't remember or don't know about ACA plans. The preventive care services are covered 100%. There's nothing out of pocket for you for a lot of services, a lot of things that you may not know. So for example, well child visits if you have kids, child and adult vaccinations, screenings for blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, certain cancers, mammograms, colonoscopies are covered 100% because they're preventive. So these are things that you can do for yourself to make sure that you do stay healthy. Because a lot of people say, I'm healthy, I don't need insurance. Folks, let's stay healthy. Let's make sure that there's nothing, floating around inside that you're not taking care of or not paying attention to. So what did I forget? Preventive care services, routine breast cancer screenings or cervical cancer screenings are free, 100% covered. So depending on where you live, how many people are on the plan, and how much you're going to report for 2026 income, we can show you the lowest cost plan in your particular area. Now, the pro tip, of all the reasons that people end up in a hospital any given year, about 70% of the time it's an accident. So the pro tip is that you can get an ACA plan, and maybe about half of them are as low as $0 premium, and then add what we call a gap plan, which is an accident plan, and that can cover those instances. So, and those are very inexpensive, folks. So you can end up with a zero premium ACA and a gap plan, accident plan, and be covered fairly robustly. So give us a call, text me, email me. We'd love to work with you.